Welcome to Airplane Alchemy, Deals of the Week. Every week I hunt down the coolest, weirdest, and best-priced airplanes for sale online. Let's see what's waiting in the hangars this time. One 1939 Luscombe 8, AE, $18,000, Salem, Oregon. This vintage beauty might not be a cream puff or show winner, but it's a perfect entry-level taildragger or weekend cruiser. Simple, light, and honest to fly. The kind of airplane that built the foundation of personal aviation. If you've ever wanted a trainer that's pure stick-and-rudder magic, this is it. Two 1963 Mooney Mark 21 M20C, $55,000, Woods Cross, Utah. Not a bush plane, but an unbeatable value for cross-country flyers. Always hangared, this M20C sports a Lycoming O-360 with just 1,164 hours since major overhaul, constant speed prop, and working Britain autopilot with altitude hold. With a 145-mile-per-hour cruise, 975-pound useful load, and clean paint, it's the budget traveler's dream. Fast, efficient, and classic Mooney style for less than a new SUV. 3 UTVA 66 V51, $48,000. British Columbia, Canada part. Bush plane, part military workhorse. The Yugoslav-built UTVA 66 is one you don't see every day. 1,400-pound useful load. Powered by a 320-horse Lycoming. With 617, since major overhaul, it was designed for short takeoff and rugged terrain. Think of it as a cross between a Beaver and a Jeep. Utility with attitude. This one's flying, unique, and ready to haul gear where few others dare to land. 4. 1981 Maule M5 235C Turbo, $139,000. Omaha, Nebraska. The reigning STOL 2024 Touring Class Champion. This turbo-normalized Lycoming 540 keeps full TBO while giving you boost on demand. Cruises at 145 miles per hour but can drop in short enough to win competitions. Extended gear, 29-inch tires, micro VGs, and IFR-ready with a JPI 830. If you want real backcountry performance with comfort, this Maule delivers. 5 headliner, Cessna 1.8, 5 turbo taildragger conversion, $178,000. Idaho Falls, Idaho, originally a 1.8 2G, now a full tailwheel monster. Turbocharged, 260 horsepower fuel-injected Lycoming. Only 100 hours since major overhaul. Cruises 180 miles per hour, carries 79 gallons, and stands tall on heavy-duty Murphy Moose gear with 26-inch bush tires. Fresh paint, new interior, and all the attitude of a custom backcountry build. It's rare, fast, and utterly unique. The ultimate what if Cessna went rogue experiment. That's it for this week's Airplane Alchemy, Deals of the Week. If you spotted a gem or have a lead on a rare airplane, drop it in the comments. I might feature it next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to help the channel climb higher. Until next time, keep your eyes on the skies, and maybe on barnstormers too.